Today we'll repair Acer monitor. It's 27-inch. It's 3D Acer HN274, as I guess so. See the model number here. It's HN274H. Okay. The problem with this one, that the power button is already broken, so it's not switch on off. To open the panel, there is no screws, except there's 4 screws for, I'll show you. Now we open this one. Actually this 4 screws, even you don't need it for the stand. The panel is just clips, normal clips. It's clip. So you need to use or this stuff for mobile, okay, for credit card, plastic card, anything, okay, and around it will click tick 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 tick, tick until you will open it, okay. So the buttons here, it's broken, you will see here. These two these 2 points, this point and this point here, this they are broken. You need to hold them, so or with little bit super glue, or we'll mold it by solder like this. I'll show you how. This is the solder. Okay, can make like this for this one. Hold it down, and also the same for other one. Down. Okay. And also this too, this one here, place it, and this one also. Place it. Let's see. Okay. We'll make it sure that so now let's see. Okay, we'll take, there is the small board which one have the button. We'll put it here like this, and we hear the click for the button, so it's okay. Now we can fix it, and I will try it and I will come back to you. So we put the frame back, and it just clip, press on it, and that's it. There is nothing, there is no any screws. And now we'll try. Yes, it's work, so it's function. That's it. Thank you for watching.